Hey everyone, Cloudy Tech back with another video, and in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how can you enable the LED flashlight for notifications. I know this video might be silly, but some people still actually don't know how to enable this feature. So whenever you get a notification or a message or an alert, your flashlight is going to start blinking, which I think is cool sometimes, because sometimes when you have your phone upside down and you have it on silent or something, it's gonna flash. So if you're unconscious, you're just gonna realize it. All you have to do, so this method doesn't need any apps or jailbreak or extra stuff. So this video is gonna be really short. All you have to do is go to settings. You're gonna go down to accessibility. After you go to accessibility, you're gonna scroll down until you see audio/visual. And then after you go to audio/visual, you're gonna see LED for flash alerts. You're gonna enable this, and it's gonna say flash on silent. So if you want your phone to turn the flashlight on even if it's silent, you can enable it, and if you don't want it, you can disable it. But I mean, what's the purpose if you don't have it enabled without the silent thing? So now whenever I get a notification, my phone is gonna start the flashlight is gonna turn on. It's gonna blink. I don't know if I'm gonna get a notification now. Hopefully I will, which I doubt actually. But if I get one, I'm gonna show you. And so that's pretty much it. If you guys liked this video, don't forget to press the like button. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comment section. And if you're not subscribed yet, consider subscribing for more tech videos about iOS. And that's it. Thank you for watching.